Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to show support for the channel. Today we're going to be drawing great football player, tight end, one of the best, if not the best tight end of all time, Rob Gronkowski. We're going to be drawing Rob Gronkowski in his Tampa Bay Buccaneers uniform today. So find the center of your page right here. We'll draw Rob's head right here. And just to start, Rob Gronkowski played college football for the Arizona Wildcats and was a second-round pick to the Patriots back in 2010 and is considered the greatest, if not, well, one of the greatest tight ends of all time. So what are your thoughts? Is he the greatest tight end of all time? Let us know. Let us know. All right, so let's get started. Get your black marker here. And we'll, like I said, we're going to start out with the jaw. Gronkowski, so down, kind of this long jaw. We're gonna draw Gronkowski smiling because he's always got this big grin, seems like when you see him. So a couple of bigger ears on the side, kind of these flared out, the side of the head flared out, and we're gonna draw the hair that kind of comes around. And connects. All right. Sideburns. They go up. They go up. Kind of bring those hair over there to the side there. Gronkowski has big eyes. We're gonna draw some big ovals, big circles, whatever you want to call them. Couple of highlights in the center there, and we'll draw a nose. See what I did there? Just kind of this U and then two small U's on the side. Big smile. Okay, so we got our Gronkowski started here. Not sure if that looks exactly like him, but it's all good. He's got a big thick neck. Bring this down to a point for the jersey. Shoulder pad, shoulder pad. Let's do a big football over here. Best we can here. 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle. His thumb. Bring the shoulder pad down to the waist area. And we'll do a big muscle here. Big bicep down to the elbow area. Give him a thumb, and he's going to be doing a peace sign. Okay. Bring that muscle into the football. So let's have him have a towel right there. Receivers need their towel. Tight ends need their towel to wipe their hands on to keep their gloves nice and sticky to catch the ball. One leg comes up. The other leg comes up to the hip. There's an ankle. There's an ankle, and we'll do these big cleats. Here's the tongue of the cleat. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. And the big cleat kind of comes out here. They look like big clown shoes because that's the style we do our drawings in. Just a simple, fun, cartoon style. So there we go. We got Gronkowski more or less blocked out. We're going to do the red jersey here. Alright, just had to check the color of Gronkowski's eyes. Brown. So we'll do a couple of black circles around there, and we'll get a light brown color like so. Okay. Next we're gonna do in black, we're gonna do the number 87 right here. So come over, down, in, and if you need to pause on these numbers, hit pause on the video, because these can take some learning. And inside the 8 we have 2 squares. Okay, over here we'll do the 7, so we'll go down. After a while, after doing enough of these, you start to memorize the shapes a little bit better. Okay, there's 87. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the flesh color, kind of a sandy blonde, brownish hair, deep red Buccaneers jersey, brown football, gray pants, probably some black or red cleats, and we'll have Rob Gronkowski of the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, one of the greatest football players and tight ends of all time. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Don't forget to subscribe and show support for the channel. We appreciate you guys. Fast forward now.